All right, so now we're going to talk about what to do with an exception. So, let's say that I have the number 999 and I want it rounded to the nearest 10. What's my first step? Number 3. What's my first step? What's my first step?
Me?
Mm-hmm. What place is this?
1, 10, 100.
Okay. Number 4. What do I do next? If I want you to round to the nearest 10, what do I do next? Oh, number 3. Sorry. Number 2. Sorry. What do I do next? So I want you to round to the nearest 10.
You circle the 9.
Okay, whatever's in the 10th place, right?
Yes.
And then number 1. What happens next? What do I do next?
Then you put the 0.
So anything to the right becomes a 0. Okay, good. The star stands for original problem. So this is where we need to figure out if this is going to stay as a what?
9.
Or become a?
10. 8.
Okay, so we need to figure out if this is going to become a 9 or stay as a 10. But the problem is, in each place, how many numbers can it hold? Say it.
0.
No, how many numbers can each place hold? 1. Remember that each box can only hold 1 number? Right? Okay, so keep that in mind when we do this. So now we have 990. Now we need to determine if it's going to remain as a 9 or become a 10. So we're going to go back to our original. Are we looking to the left or to the right?
Right.
To the right. This is a 9. So what does our rule say? If it's a 9, do we add 1 to the target or does it stay the same?
We add 1.
We add 1. So this 9 now becomes a 10. Now there's an issue. When you write the number 10, how many numbers is that?
2.
2. There's 2. 1, 2. How many numbers does each box hold?
1.
1. So can I write 10 in here?
No.
No. So look at what happens. If we were to do 9 plus 1, what's 9 plus 1? 10. So we put the 0 and we carry the 1. And then 1 plus 0 is 1. So what I'm doing here is, because we carry the 1, you guys saw how we carried the 1? I'm now going to, I know this is 10, so I'm going to put a 0 here instead, and I'm carrying the 1 here. Once again, what is 9 plus 1? 10. So what's going to go here? What number?
0.
0, and I'm carrying the 1. And what goes here? 1. So that is the exception when we have all 9s, okay? Any questions so far? Okay.